Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled "She Skipped Out on the Hair Salon, but What About the Wings" by Body Cam USA.
No, you ain't going out, suspect, in front of one. Stop.
Yeah.
Hold on. You're not free to leave. What's going on? Did you just go to the salon?
What are you talking about? I asked her unexpected. I'm going back to Jamaica today. She said, okay, she could do it like that, and then that was it. She never told me anything about paying or anything else.
What's your name?
Hold on. Is that Rico Reckless, sister? And then number 2, how the hell you got food, but you ain't got no money for the hairstyle? Did you even get a hairstyle? Because that looked like some shit you could have done at home.
Let's go with that.
Why?
Put the food down.
I'm hungry.
She looked just like Rico Reckless.
You can't arrest me.
You're not free to leave. This is entertainment. It's an investigation, okay? So I need to figure out what happened.
I just told you what happened. She
happened?
didn't tell me to pay for anything. I asked her. I told her I was leaving today to go to Jamaica.
Okay.
And I told her that's what I was doing. And she said, okay, I can come and do it, but she never said nothing about paying.
Come and do what? What did you get done?
My braids, that was it.
Oh, she did your braids?
Yes.
How long did that take?
It didn't take that long.
Okay. And so then you left?
Yeah.
Did she tell you that you needed to pay?
She never said it at first. No, when you tell somebody you have to pay, you have to tell them up front. You never told me that up front.
No, but you wouldn't expect that you go to a business?
She never told me that up front.
Wait. So you telling me somebody does a service for you and you think it's supposed to be just scotch-free?
And I said, by chance, can you do it for me real quick, please?
Got it, okay.
And she said, okay. And that was it.
By them knees, you should have known she wasn't gonna pay. Look at them knees.
And I'm pregnant and I'm trying to eat my food here.
9-8 copy. I have visual. 9-8
Somebody got you pregnant?
It's 56 me in front of 117, so we can detain her and I'll
I'm
make
literally
25.
pregnant. I'm trying to eat my food.
All right,
Is she about to start eating? Did you pay for that?
Do you have any weapons on you? What's your name?
Chardonnay.
Chardonnay what? Chardonnay what?
The wing eater.
I'm trying to eat here.
I know. Chardonnay what, though? What is it?
Are you going to arrest me?
No. I'm just putting gloves. It's cold out here. Chardonnay.
Yeah.
Like H-A-R. What you did at birth?
She's a flat eater, tells me everything I need to know. She tearing that motherfucker up, too.
What are you doing?
No, we're just talking. What kind of wings you got there?
You want the rest of them?
Yeah, sure. Thank you. I appreciate it. Just do me a favor. Turn that way. You're gonna go in handcuffs right now, okay?
I would have been like, why you throwing my food on the ground?
You're not in an arrest right now, but you are gonna be detained, okay? So just relax.
You know you can't arrest me, right?
Why not?
You're not under arrest.
Paralyzed.
Yes.
So how's that possible?
How you a paralyzed pregnant woman? How the fuck?
You guys just take me to go get my stuff, please.
If you don't mind, just hold her for a second. And she's right there. I'm gonna go talk to her and see what happens. So, tell me what happened.
So, she comes in,
Before you do anything, sorry,
Yes.
just raise your right hand. Do you swear that everything you're about to tell me is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
So we
When the fuck did the people have to start doing that?
I was closing up, but she came in all like, can you do my hair? I'm leaving on a trip tomorrow, like, please. And I'm like, okay. So I thought, like, I'll be nice because she seemed, like, desperate, whatever, right?
Are you involved?
So she's my boss,
Oh,
so
okay,
I just called her.
okay. Sorry, I didn't know if you were somewhere.
Oh, yeah. And so I was like, okay, yeah. So it took about, like, almost an hour. And she nodded right out in the chair, but I didn't realize she's intoxicated until after she nodded out.
Right.
And so I'm braiding her hair. See, my hands are all stained from whatever color was in her hair. And then I'm finished. So she said, thank you so much. And then so I'm walking to the front, and I was like, are you paying by cash or by card? And she said, huh? I said, are you paying by cash or by card? And she said, oh, I'll be back in 30 minutes. I said, no, it's
Oh, no, hell no. You a lie.
we don't do that here. We're closed, and you have to pay with your appointment.
Right.
She said, oh, huh? Well, you never told me before that I'm gonna have to pay.
Okay.
Why do I have to pay? And then I said, well, I'm gonna need to like pay for this. And she's like, well, I'm going. And then she like bashes out the door. So I left. She said, just video her so I'll have, like know who she is.
Right.
And then I was like, you can't just walk out. I'm gonna have to call 911. Well, you can do whatever you want to do, whatever. And then,
oh no.
and that was it. And then I was just shaking, so that's how I.
No, I get it. You did the right thing. Like, how much was the?
I don't know. Now I'm just recalculating because it's like 70.
70.
60 maybe. I don't even know because I didn't have spent an hour. I spent an hour.
It was an hour getting the charge straight.
Yeah, I guess.
60 or 70.
I think it should have been 80. Now I'm just 80, whatever. Now.
Okay, it doesn't. Yeah, there's no difference.
That's how much it was. I'm just freaking out. I'm like,
no, you're good. You're good. We got her. She's detained. And, I understand you're worried.
It just never happened to me before. So.
No, I get it. I totally get it. At any point, did you guys discuss price prior to the hair?
No, I told her before. I said we charge between 50 and 100, and I'll know once I get through here. And she said, okay.
Okay, got it.
For weapons for now.
Yeah, I'm gonna take her.
Okay.
That's yeah. What's that?
I got money in my pocket. Can I pay her?
Okay.
Hell no, you in jail now. That shit not gonna happen because you know what? You can't pay her. Go ahead, because I will let you pay me, and then I'm still gonna press charges.
What's up?
Can I put the money I have in my pocket? Can I pay her?
How much money do you have?
I have $8.
Bitch.
They don't want that.
Face card for me again?
$80.
Face card for me again.
Listen.
I know you lying.
So am I going to jail?
Yes. So just listen to what the song.
What the?
Relax.
How am I going to jail for this?
Relax.
I have $8 in my pocket.
Thank you.
I'm giving you $8. You're really arresting me for something you never told me I had to do?
Hey, you need to.
Shh. It's common sense, babe. It's common sense.
You know what? I don't need this.
Oh, my bad.
You should, because why would you go somewhere knowing and you get your hair done and her hair full of that? Like, why wouldn't you think that you don't gotta pay for something that somebody spending their time doing and they about to close?
I didn't know that was full.
You deserve to get your ass beat. I ain't gonna lie. Three, two, one.
Can you put my money in and don't spend my money, please?
Now what the hell they gonna do with $8?
I really don't give a damn.
I do.
I know you lying.
Ha, that's Guzman. I'm not going to jail because she never told me none of this. Please stop grabbing my jacket. That's a dead person's jacket.
Can I ask you something?
No,
Why you got it on then? Why you ain't leave it on the dead?
I want to talk
Is
to you.
ignorance a good defense in the law? Does a bank have a sign that says you
What
can't
are you
rob it?
talking about? I did not do nothing wrong.
You go to a place,
I did not do nothing wrong, sir.
Okay.
I asked her if she could do something for me because I'm going to Jamaica, and I said that.
Ma'am, I'm like a foot away from you.
And she literally said, okay, she never told me I had to pay for anything.
God, I'm a foot away from you.
She
Don't
never
scream.
said that shit.
Please don't scream at me. It hurts my feelings, please.
I don't care.
Please.
The lady never said that pussy ass shit.
Yeah, she a little slow.
So she's in the wrong.
Cool.
So I'm locking you up. You
I mean, you the one that's in handcuffs though.
never said that shit, and you know that. You pussy ass hoe.
Also, you're trespassing this property. If you go back to that store, you're going to be arrested again. You understand?
Okay.
All right, good. As long as you acknowledge
Can I
that.
go?
No.
No, you can go to jail.
No, you're also going to jail, too.
What did I do?
Oh, you committed theft.
No, the fuck I did it.
Relax.
I don't even give a fuck. I don't do it.
We know, because the way you came out that house, baby, we know.
For one damn day, I don't care.
We know.
Hey, lady, stop. Can you stop touching me? Hey, I got somebody for you, pussy hole.
No, you're not.
I didn't say we were done.
Just talk.
People just out here getting anybody pregnant though.
Are your pants just big on you? What is this like?
Yes, you guys are holding. I'm crippled. Can you come on now?
You are the one walking around. Here. There you go. You keep walking around and moving.
We're good, Guzman. We're good. We don't
No,
need ID.
Guzman, come here. Guzman, come here, please, because she's lying on me. Y'all ain't finna put me in jail for nothing, and I'm finna tell the truth. This is what you, don't touch my ear.
All right, they're gonna take him out of jail a lot meaner than I will.
Hey, man, can you call Guzman? I'll talk to Guzman.
No. If you, how about this? If you stop talking, maybe we'll do that. And let her take,
She is not finna shut up.
All right, take your earrings out.
No, that lady lied on me, Guzman. She's lying.
let her take the earrings out.
No, you guys, I'm crippled.
Out of jail.
No, I want to talk to Guzman.
You're gonna go into court.
I want to talk to Guzman.
No, we can stay over
Oh.
Can I talk to Guzman, please?
No. You can talk to the back of my car.
Guzman, I didn't do nothing wrong.
Sit down. Sit down.
I'm paralyzed. And y'all are hurting me?
She was initially charged with theft with 2 previous convictions, but court records show that charge was not filed and was instead reduced and transferred to misdemeanor court, where it was refiled as theft with 1 prior conviction. After her arrest, bond was initially set at $5,000 and later reduced to $3,000 before she was released on her own recognizance.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And that's it, baby. Out.